Everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla, and welcome to Kayla Win. I'm going to start calling it the Kayla Win Show, or the Kayla Show. I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet. But today I'm going to be showing you guys my slime collection. Oh my god, that's a burp coming on. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Kayla. By the way, I got this choker about 2 days ago, and I'm wearing a little bit of lipstick. It's by Mary Kay. It's this color. It is called Sparkle Berry. It's actually very pretty. I like to wipe off the color. I am watching Willow's Pet Shop. I don't know why. My friends were here and I left it on, so I just left Willow's Pet Shop on, so. So, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Musical.ly. I will put that in the description box down below, and my Lively. Put that in the description box down below. And let's start now. Okay, so here is all my slimes. Make it rain slime. Make it rain. I was gonna show this slime, but it's like so hard, so I squish it like a squishy. So I made it over a friend's house, and it was a periwinkle color. It was really pretty, but then I was like, I want to be a different color, so I colored it, and I realized I have to change the title now. I haven't named any of these slimes, so 3 of these are new. I will tell you in the video. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this slime. It's a fluffy slime that I'm trying to fix, and it is blue. You can't really see it. There we go. Put sparkles in it, and it's just not really working, so it's just getting annoying. Like the way it, like you poke it, it's like a layer of slime in that layer. You hear that? So I'm gonna poke it, and like there's like a thin layer of slime. But yeah, I'm just trying to fix that. That's gonna right here. So I took it off. So to the next slime. It's gonna dry out. It's this glitter slime. Y'all all seen this. It's been in my spoof videos. It's been in my other slime collection. I don't even know if I made spoof videos with this. I've made spoof videos with squishies. I did get a package from my friend, and she didn't, like, she gave me the right stuff, but she gave me 2 broken things, so I was really upset with her. She has a website. I don't remember it because this was like 2 months ago, so. This is just sparkly slime, so. That has, of course, you know, the blue glitter. Focus. Come on, focus. Just focus on the sparkles, baby. My phone's not really wanting to focus. Yeah, you see the blue sparkles and then the iridescent sparkles. You can't really see, but I like spreading my slimes and then watching it stick to the table. Sometimes I gotta help it because I won't stick. This looks so weird. I don't do this. Oh no! I dropped it. I don't really care. Do you see that? I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got a whole bunch of glitter on me and on the floor. Where's the bag? Okay. So these last three slimes are these new slimes that I made, and they're just the same color and stuff. So this is the big one. This is the big one. I like my slime sticky because then it takes forever to dry out. I have this UV light. My pen, if you want to do a review, I will. And it like charges the slime or something. This is not UV or nothing. It doesn't work with this slime. But you can't poke it. You can poke it. This one's not as sticky as the other two. So if you do that, what I just did, it makes humongous air bubbles. Where is the bag? I keep losing these bags. So on to the last two. Right there. So here it is. It's just in this Minnie Mouse glitter putty slime container. Super sticky. Look at that melt. And yeah. So, to the last slime. I'm sorry I'm not talking that much. Just really into the slime poking. This had an air bubble that I just popped. Super sticky. I feel like this one's more stickier than the other one. What was that in my slime? So, how I take out hairs, because I've dropped this slime 50 million times already. So I take the slime, I take a little ball of the slime that the hair is in. And I take it out. to check for more hairs. So there's that. You guys know what these slimes remind me of? Fluffy slimes. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe. Yeah, I'm actually not gonna put my music and all that stuff in the description box down below. It's Kayla105. You should remember it. I'm sorry, guys. To Lively. Bye.